If you want to get your custom sounds as notifications or ringtone on your Android phone, so first of all, we have to open up our Google and download the file. So the file has to be of MP3, WAV, or OGG format. In my case, I will use Spotify Downloader because I have my link from Spotify and I find the service very comfortable. However, if you're using YouTube, or use YouTube Downloader, or maybe you can find your file directly in the internet. So it really depends. And it doesn't really matter. Most importantly, that we have to get this file. As you see, our file is downloaded, so we can try and open it up. Let's try to play it. It works. Right? Perfect. Great. Now, let's set it up. For example, let's set it as our ringtone sound. The process is pretty much the same with notifications. So you have to open up your settings. You have to find your sound and vibration tab. Find your ringtone, choose the SIM card which you're setting it on, and tap plus. Now, find your file. I can see it right here. Or if you can find it, you can find it in the folders, maybe in your download folder. So there it is. Now let's press done, and it's set. Basically, that's it. And I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.